Hello, my dear students, and welcome in the Indoor Environmental Control course. I am Associate Professor Kareem Galal. The title of this lecture is the Total Flux Method. Daylight may be introduced into a building using a variety of techniques, side lighting or top lighting strategies. Integration of daylighting with building design can have a decisive influence on the architectural form. In daylighting design, for the positioning and sizing of apertures, there are three main issues to be considered. To satisfy the visual tasks, provide enough daylight. To create the desired mood and provide visual focus. To integrate daylighting with the architecture. The building, or a room in the building, is considered as a closed box, with an aperture, a window, that will admit a light flux. The illuminance on the plane of the window, EW, must be known. If this is multiplied by the window area, the total flux entering the room is obtained. This will, however, be reduced by three factors. 1. M, the maintenance factor, which allows for dirt or other deterioration of the glazing in use. 2. G, or glass factor, allowing for the type of glazing, other than clear glass. 3. B, bars, or framing factor, allowing for obstruction due to solid elements of the frame and sashes, that would reduce the effective area. Let's take an example. If the EW is 3000 lux, and the window dimensions are W equals 2 meters and H equals 1.2 meters, the flux out the room phi T will be 3000 by 2 by 1.2 equals 7200 lumen. Flux in the room phi E will be 3000 by M by G by B. To get the M, G, and B values, go to the data sheet in your textbook, page 188. Assume the building is located in a residential area, non-industrial area. The room uses clean, and the window slope is horizontal. Also, assume the window glass type is float glass, and the bars type is metal windows in wood frames. Then flux in the room phi E will be 7200 by 0.7 by 1 by 0.75 equals 3780 lumen. If the floor room area is 10 meters square, then the E average will be 3780 over 10 equals 378 lux. So if the design requirement for this space is 400 lux as average, then this aperture didn't achieve the goal. The daylight design diagram shows the work plane illuminance as it reduces with the increase of distance from the window. This distance is expressed as a multiple of the window head height above the work plane. Thanks for following me and hope that I have explained the topic well. This material is copyrighted. Associate Professor Kareem Galal 2021. All rights reserved.